guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know you're probably wondering why do I look like this? I have half of my hair wet and the other half dry. I want to show you the difference between Yummy extensions. So I ordered this hair about 3 or 4 months ago and I love it. I love it. This is called Burma. They have so many different curls on Yummy Extensions website, but this one was my favorite because it has a natural shine. If you can see it has a natural shine. This hair is 28 inches. I paid about $1,000 to $1,200 for this, all of this. I made a unit. I have not bleached my knots. I have not done anything to the closure simply because it costs too much money for me to mess up or take a chance on. And every time I get a chance to order from them, they're sold out. So getting a closure or a frontal is difficult with them because they don't have them as often as the bundles are available. So how are you feeling? How are you feeling right now? You like this hair? I'm going to show you some more. Okay. So after I ordered this hair, I wanted to try the LOA Wavy. Now, if anybody knows Lyra Galore, I love me some Lyra. And Lyra used to advertise and sponsor. This video is not sponsored. I am not being paid for this. I just enjoy luxurious hair. So after I spent over $1,000 for this, I went back and I ordered LOA Wavy. This is a little bit browner. It is so full. This is also 28 inches. It's so full to the tip. Beautiful hair. Now, I wore this hair for about a month. I've never combed it, never washed it, and it looks gorgeous still. It feels amazing, so silky. I could run my fingers through, not a gnat or a tangle to be found. It does not shed. This hair does not shed. Now, honestly, I woke up like this. I just did a little spray bottle hit so you could see the difference. But all I did was, this is a Cantu bottle. I just put water in it. It's empty, but filled with water. And I just wet my hair to get it to look like this. Wet it. And to comb it through, I used Tresemme. Now, I was using the Main Choice, but they have changed their formula and I can no longer use it on this hair. This is raw hair. Each bundle is from a donor. That's why it's a lot of bit pricey for some people, but it is worth it. It lasts from 3 to 5 years. Seriously, I've been working with, I've had every hair there is, from Unice to Kendra's Boutique to, oh my God, I've had every single hair there was, but this was by far the most top quality, definitely the most I've ever paid, but it's good. I'm gonna show you what it looks like when it comes straight out. So once I ordered this and I loved it, I went back for the Black Friday sale. Woo! And it came like this. They give you a little postie on what to do. You're supposed to wash it right away. You're supposed to wash it, co-wash it, and make sure, it's to your liking. The quality is A1. And it comes in a cute bag. And then it comes in another bag. And I ordered so much hair, this bag was overloaded. They squashed everything in there. But what I have left in here is another card with instructions. Oh, 2 cards. So, thank you card, hair tips. I love little gestures like this because the first time I ordered it really came with instructions on how to wash and detangle and treat this hair and put it up. When I first got it, I would braid it because I go to sleep on it like this now because I don't care. But If you want to take care of the hair, braid it at night, you know, put your bonnet on, really take care of it like you would your own, because you want to, you know, preserve these beautiful curls. So now I'm going to show you one of these little goodies. Now, they put it in here. This is a 26-inch. I don't remember what I ordered. It looks like this. This is my first time taking these bundles out, you guys, so yeah. They tie it up like that. And then bam! Bam! It looks like this. Yes, yes, yes. Now, once you get it out, they say do not brush it while it's dry. Definitely, yeah, because if you brush it while it's dry, it's going to start looking like, whew. This hair can get really, really big. If it's not wet, it can give you the volume that you want, because 3 bundles and a closure is definitely really full, really, really full. So I ordered another 3 bundles, and I may go back and order another closure whenever they are in stock or when I need it. But this is what it looks like. So I'm going to just show you quickly how fast I get ready. Now, honestly, you can wear your hair dry, but since I am in the climate that I am in, I can wear my hair wet. So now that I have wet one side of my hair, well, the other side of my hair, I'm gonna put a little bit of this. Ooh. Okay. Rub it in. Okay, so now that I have wetted, look how easy it is to comb through. If you wet it, they say you can scrunch it like that. I don't do that. I like my hair to be as long as possible. I don't want to scrunch it. I don't want to do stuff like that. But if you do scrunch it, you'll get tighter curls at the end. What the hell is going on outside? Jeez. But yeah, you guys, this is my yummy review. I've been wearing this hair since September. I've been wearing this hair since about 4 or 5 months. Oh my God. This hair since September. It is now January and I love it. I adore this hair. I probably wore it 2 months straight and then took a break, went to the LOA, and then came back to it. I don't think I can ever give up these curls. This is the Burma. Get you some yummy extensions. This is not sponsored. I just love the curls. I really didn't do anything to it, and I probably could detangle it from tip to root, but I'm lazy. I know this hair is a little bit pricey, but if you are looking to invest and have something that you can reuse over and over again, I suggest you get some today, because when you think about it, we buy things for $200, $300, $400, and then it goes in the garbage because it wasn't good in the first place. So if you can get your hands on something good, why not? I hope I helped anyone who is on the fence about buying some luxurious raw hair. If you want some good raw hair, invest and spend the money, because it will definitely be worth it. I know I can go anywhere with this hair and it will be fine. If you are looking to invest in some luxurious hair, I know $1,000 may be pricey, but if you get a length that is shorter, you may not spend as much as I did, but It is worth it. It is definitely worth it. And you only have to spend $4 to take care of it. Come on, this is $3.99. Tresemme, you would think it was so much more than that, but literally I just use water and conditioner on this hair. After you spend your money, you're gonna enjoy it. You're not gonna have, you know, shedding like a dog all over the place. No, no, no. It's gonna be beautiful. So, thank you so much for watching this video. Peace out. Peace and love.